Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial will be looking at how to protect or lock cells and formulas on Microsoft Excel. Protecting cells and formulas can be a very helpful tool in your spreadsheets. One of the major advantages is that you can limit which cells can be used for data entry, editing and for modifying by the intended user. I will be using this example here to show you how to protect cells and formulas. This makes it easier for you to understand what I am trying to say. If you do have any questions or doubts, please leave it on the comments section and I will get back to you to my earliest. Anyway, before we go on further, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on this bell icon to get notifications on future videos. Okay, getting back to our tutorial. For example, this is a list that is used by my employees when supplying tools. I need to ensure that only certain cells are possible to be modified. This whole list here is totally unprotected and can be edited. For example, if I type anything here, you can notice the data in the cells can be modified. This applies to all the cells here. Same as in this one here. And again, in here too. However, what I want to do is, I want to be able to change only a couple of things in this list. I want to make sure my employees are able to change or modify only the data on the quantity column and the comments column, so that the unit price always remain the same. Don't want any changes to the total column. I also don't want anyone to make edits to the formula on the total column. Therefore, I don't want anything in this area, and the name and the serial numbers to be modified. Okay, now let's look at how to do this. I am going to select this whole area here. First of all, what I am going to do here is, I am going to lock this list here. I mean the highlighted area. Now to do that, there is a little shortcut which I am going to share with you. Press Ctrl and then press the number 1. This will bring up the additional options available for formatting cells. I am going to select the option Locked, and then click on OK. This will basically lock all the cells in the highlighted area. There is also another way to do this in case you forget the shortcut. To show that I will undo what I just did, let me highlight the area that I want to lock. Right-click anywhere within the highlighted area and select Format Cells. It's already on Protection tab. Select Locked, and then OK. That should now lock the highlighted area. Though I have locked the cells, you can notice I can still edit data in any of these cells. So just by locking the cells are not protected from editing. There is an extra step to protect the cells, which we will go through now. But before we protect the cells, I need to make sure the quantity column and the comments column not be protected. Therefore, I will select these cells in the quantity column and the comments column and unlock them from being protected. Now press Ctrl and the number 1 under Protection, deselect the Locked option, and click OK. Now we know these two columns are not locked, and we need to make sure we protect other cells. Therefore, I am going to choose the Protect Sheet option. This will bring up a few more options. Looking at the ticked options on the list, you do remember that we locked some of the cells and also unlocked some of the cells. First we locked all the cells, and then we unlocked the cells in the quantity and the comments column. Now let's give a password to protect the cells from being modified. Choose a password you can remember and click OK. Now you can see this here has changed to Unprotect Sheet, which means this whole list here is being protected with a password, except for these few cells here. Let me show you. As you can notice, I am able to change or modify details in the quantity column and the total changes accordingly. I can do the same on the comments column as well. What we can't modify is any data on these 4 columns. For example, if I try to do any edits here, it will come up with a dialog box saying, "This is a protected sheet and you need to unprotect it with a password to perform any modifications." This is where you unprotect the sheet. Anyway, same thing here, it doesn't change. Basically our formula is safe from being modified. Same with the unit price. Names of the tools and model details. All these 4 columns are protected with a password from being modified. To unprotect the cells, go to Unprotect Sheet. Type in your password that you entered earlier, and click OK. Now that should enable you to change any details in this list. For example, if I type in here, you can notice I am able to now modify that which was previously protected. Same with the formula. I am not going to make any changes. This is to show you, now all changes are possible and is unprotected. So that's all it is for protecting the cells and formulas this tutorial. In the description is the link to a detailed tutorial video on all types of protection. That includes protection of sheets, protection of workbook, protection of the structure of the workbook, the complete workbook including all the worksheets in it. So basically more tutorial videos on the way. Therefore don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon. Also please do like, share and comment on my tutorial to support my channel.